Let users add and use webhooks and chat. In the admin console, go to Menu, Apps, Google Workspace, Google Chat. Click Chat Apps. To apply the setting to everyone, leave the top organizational unit selected. Otherwise, select a child organizational unit. Under Allow users to add and use incoming webhooks, select On. This setting applies to all incoming webhooks. Click Save. If you configured a child organizational unit, you might be able to inherit or override a parent organizational unit settings.